Sinawa, ikaw yung kay.
King.
Camera,
Nasa ba labay ba ito? Kariba?
I hope so.
King.
Minta ba? Kasi kung tingnan pa, no? Sure.
Minta ka.
Ikaw, hindi pa.
Monot ang hat. Ako yung nasa na sa away na sa waro. So you better.
Nakakanitin eh. Minta ni Juana, miss. Yan, cost-proof ya. Oh my god, this is scaring me.
No, before this is a stable simu.
What's up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I am at the central station because I am gonna meet up with my friend Christina, the petite wanderer. I'll leave her channel in the description box down below for you to check it out. But she's coming to Antwerp and I'm just gonna show her around, have a fun day, I guess. And I thought I would vlog it because we're both content creators. That's a good idea, right? I started off the morning with getting my nails done. I got them in this pretty red color. I forgot to film because I was just trying to keep track of time for me to be done in time. So I totally forgot to vlog because of that. But I think you know what that looks like because I get my nails done all the time and I show you all the time. So that should be fine. But I'm gonna go down to the platform and see and wait for Christina there. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And let's go ahead and get into it. Let me mask up. Train is here. I am trying to find her. I think that's her. Hello. Hello. Hi. Yo. I was afraid that I missed you.
Hey, you know what? I'm like, wait a minute. She's usually standing here.
I was, but like I didn't know where you would come out.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, she's here.
Hi, guys.
Hi. We're gonna go up and then I'll talk to you in a little bit. Aww, so schattig. Ah, so cute. amiga, we've managed to find a spot to sit. We ordered our Pokeballs from Hawaiian Pokeball, and we're now about to devour, and then after that we're back to regular programming. Alrighty.
It looks good. It really looks good.
I hope it tastes good too. Here you go.
Oh. Wait, huh?
Je hebt ook stokjes.
So is like the plastic.
Ja, plastic, pero
Then
manier
say the
biodegradable or whatever.
It's like
Je hebt ook spoons.
But it's like there's so many. Like it's uncomfortable to eat.
I don't like that. Yeah.
Not though. Ugh. I hate it too.
Like that.
Honestly. But wait, it's your first time coming in on this?
Nee. Eet je wel vaker?
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah.
So, we just finished having our food. It was delish. What did you thought?
It was amazing. The tuna was so fresh. Honestly, it shocked me. And this filling though, a medium with a whoopie hammer. Take a larger too. But
Yeah.
the medium will fill you up, honestly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm full, and we still need room for Shukafe because, of course, I need to bring her
Oh
there.
yeah, I'm so excited for my dance. Yeah.
Right? So we need room for that, but we're going now to the Mas Museum. Food was good. On to more stuff. Let's go.
Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't. No, they don't. No, they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait.
Look at this.
I
We're at
know.
Shukafe, and literally today, 4/8, the 4th of August, they went on vacation. Romantic pa din. right, little update, amiga. We had some pancakes at Moy. It was really delicious. The only thing is they were closing and the lady was being a little rude, which I don't really like. So yeah, that's not really nice. But other than that, we really had a delicious pancake dessert and I really enjoyed it. Ooh, what's happening with that lighting? Need to stand like this. Yes. So yeah, it was delicious. And now I want to go to the view, which is, what do you even call that in English? Reuzenrad. How do you call that?
The what's it called?
Spinning wheel? I don't know.
No.
What is it called?
Wheel.
Ferris wheel. We want to go to the Ferris wheel here in Antwerp. Hopefully that's open because I'm so tired of everybody going on vacation, even though everybody deserves it. But I mean, I made a whole dry book and everything is falling in the water.
No, it's going perfect.
All right, let me stop. Let me stop. Yeah, it's just me being a perfectionist. But okay, we're gonna go there now and we will update you in a little bit.
Bye.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Amiga, we are now at the Ferris wheel and I'm gonna see like if we can get in, but I saw that it was moving, so that is great. And I'm ready to see Antwerp from another high view. I'm ready for that. So yeah, let's go.
What's it gonna take for you to show, feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, me, yeah.
I hope so.
Okay.
Minta ba? Kasi kung tingnan pa, ako €8. Minta ba? Ikaw ako Henry ba?
It's so pretty. I told you the golden hour was perfect. Up na.
Yeah, it was. It is.
Monot ang mo yung nasibanas away na sa waro. So you better. You better not.
They was Christmas. They was Christmas. Nada ni kita ni. Minta ni wana miss.
Namay, ano sisi? Let me put the big camera. Let me really. Here. Yeah. Yay.
That's so cute.
Right?
Wow. Geen kostproefjaar. Oh my god, this is scaring me. Oh my god!
No, before this is a stable sim, you.
Maybe now?
Oh, see? Wait. What was the timer do?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're
Guys, now the chai, unlock with Jenny.
Yes.
Just give up there.
Alright, amiga, we are back at the point where we started this morning. I am gonna drop Christina off at the train, but it was such a fun day. I didn't get to talk a lot. I hope that's okay. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Christina's channel. It will be linked in the description box down below. And I hope to see you soon with another video. Say bye, Christina.
Bye.
Did you have a nice time?
Yes,
I
I
asked you so many times.
I definitely had a fun time. It has been like 2 years since I've been here, so she was the perfect host. So again, amigas, was I'm a stay host. She's a girl. She's a girl. Hey.
All right.
a lot of bomb photos, a lot of bomb videos, and best times with her. So and I hope to visit again. Panos bay. Kami.
Shoe Cafe.
Shoe Cafe. Fine. Tour me tawag in this video.
Yo.
I'm like, bro, net awin na to.
Shoe Cafe. I go there every single week. And yes, the day that I want to bring her, today they decided to go on vacation. Or maybe they did a long time ago. I don't know. But today they were closed. Like from all the days. But it's fine though. Everybody deserves a vacation.
Yeah.
And we went to Moy instead, so it's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, next time she needs to definitely visit again for me to bring her to Shoe Cafe because that place. But yes, we're gonna close off here. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Our train is here.
Okay.
Bye, amigas. La camisa ahora pues llega.
Yeah.
Bye. Dale, vaya arriba. Foto.